It is time for another K'NEX roller coaster video on the channel, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And today, yes, is another K'NEX roller coaster video because we haven't done one in a while. And also, we have a new coaster on the channel, the Amazing 8 roller coaster. This looks like an 8, that's why it's called the Amazing 8. Right there. Kind of looks like an 8. Yes, so yeah, that's a new coaster on the channel. And we also have the Typhoon Frenzy, which I reviewed in a past video a while back. So yeah, that's going to be coming back in this video. And we also have the Drop Tower, the Strike Zone Drop Tower. And I also built a custom entrance with an entrance and an exit. I made this out of Lego. Pretty cool. So yeah, I set up a little theme park stuff going on here. And yeah, we're gonna be seeing the rides in action, and this is definitely gonna be a very fun video. So yeah, guys, enjoy this K'NEX video because we haven't done one of these in a while. Let's do it. Alright, first things first, I have to turn on the rides. So let's do that, and then we can get the fun started. Alright guys, both rides are on now, and now let's get the fun started. Let's now see these rides in action. Here we go. So we have the Typhoon Frenzy over here, going up the lift hill. There it goes down the layout of the ride. Woo! Nice. And over here we have the Amazing 8 roller coaster. Nice. And over here, this isn't actually motorized, but it's the Drop Tower. So you just lift the car up like this. It clips up to the top, and then you just press this down. Nice. Let's do it again. Woo! Typhoon Frenzy roller coaster. There it goes. One more time. There it goes. Nice. See the Drop Tower. Woo! Now let's get some cool angles of the coasters. Nice. Ooh, that looked good. Let's make it face, like, all the way to the top of the Drop Tower. Whoa. Alright, there we go. And now it drops. There we go. Perfect. It's also leaning a little bit. There we go. Typhoon Frenzy. Nice. Amazing 8. Now let's see both coasters in action. Woo! This chain whip is definitely very fast. Because this one has the fast motor, the gray motor is fast. This one is the slow motor because it's green. So green is the slow one, gray is the fast one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Ooh, look at that, I like that. You're seeing some K'NEX roller coasters in action. Woo! There goes the drop tower. Woo! Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Make the drop tower go up, back down. Nice. Alright, pretty soon here we're going to wrap up the video, so these coasters are going to take their final rides of this video, and yeah, it's been a fun video, but it's going to end here. There goes the Typhoon Frenzy. And the Amazing 8. Nice. Alright. One more rise and fall of the drop tower. There it is. And yeah, that's basically the end of the video. So yeah, we're gonna turn it off right after this one last go. Alright. One more. And yeah, guys, that basically wraps up this video. You just saw some K'NEX roller coasters and the drop tower in action. So yeah, this was a really fun video to make. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this and marble runs and more. Alright guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. And make sure to check out Super Dude Gaming, where I post a lot of fun gaming videos too. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.